Hey, it's Akash from ViaTerra, and today we are introducing our newest arrival in the full gauntlet lineup, the Kruger motorcycle touring gloves. Whether you're embarking on long highway stretches or tackling twisty back roads, these gloves promise an optimal blend of performance and adaptability. Let's get started with what the Kruger full gauntlet gloves have to offer. The viscoelastic knuckle armor, rated CE Level 2 by Sas-Tec, delivers superior impact protection without compromising on comfort due to its exceptional damping capabilities. These knuckle protectors are made of viscoelastic soft foam for excellent adaptation onto the knuckles. This ensures enhanced comfort during those long hauls. The Kruger gloves come equipped with heavy-duty 3D air mesh to deliver exceptional airflow and breathability. This top-of-the-line mesh material allows air to circulate freely, ensuring your hands remain cool and dry, offering unmatched comfort and ease while riding, without the hassle of sweaty or uncomfortable hands. Our design incorporates soft and flexible PVC protectors to shield your fingers from impacts. Positioned strategically on each finger, these protectors offer both flexibility and effective impact protection. Well, when it comes to touring, it's all about striking the perfect balance between protection and comfort. While the Knox SPS 404 protection offers top-notch safety, it can feel a tad uncomfortable on long rides. That's where SuperFabric comes in, providing superior slide protection on the palm, sides and wrist while ensuring you stay comfortable during those extensive journeys. The Kruger boasts an accordion wrist style closure, ensuring a snug and secure fit around your wrist. Additionally, it also features a dual closure system at the wrist. This design not only provides a stronger hold but also minimizes slippage during potential crashes. To enhance grip and control during your touring adventures, the Kruger gloves incorporate strategically positioned silicone accents on the palm. For enhanced comfort, the Kruger full gauntlet gloves offer external stitching on the finger seams. The Kruger gloves are equipped with special conductive leather panels on the index finger and off both hands. These panels are positioned to allow seamless smartphone operation during quick breaks or stops, eliminating the need to remove your gloves. The Kruger also incorporates quite a nifty feature, a visor wipe on the index finger of the left hand. It is an effective solution for maintaining visibility during rainy rides and helps easily remove rain and debris from your helmet visor with a swift wipe. For riders who refuse to compromise on comfort, protection or performance, the Kruger motorcycle full gauntlet riding gloves are the ultimate choice. You might be wondering what's the difference between the Grid and the Kruger riding gloves when both are full gauntlets. Well, both coming from a full gauntlet lineup offer maximum comfort and protection. Let me simplify and explain what's the best use case when you can use the Grid gloves and the Kruger gloves. The Grid gloves are best suited for someone looking for maximum level of protection with the Knox SPS 404 scaphoid protectors, the hard Sas-Tec CE Level 2 rated knuckle protector, full leather construction, etc. If your use case involves being on the track where you are at higher speed and at a greater risk, and demand maximum protection in case of a high-speed crash, then the Grid full gauntlet gloves surely is the glove that you should be aiming for. On the other hand, if your use case involves long-distance touring, where you are primarily looking at maximum comfort and adequate protection, the Kruger focuses on comfort aspect and incorporates hybrid construction of leather and mesh for optimum airflow and protection. As it emphasizes comfort, we have used the SuperFabric on the palm and on the sides of the gloves for optimum slide protection. So, if you're someone who enjoys long-distance motorcycle touring but primarily demands comfort, the Kruger full gauntlet gloves are the right choice. You can find the link in the description below if you wish to explore the Kruger touring gloves in detail. You can also place an order on the website. We make your buying process hassle-free by offering free size exchange and risk-free trial. Thank you so much for your time. Ride safe, and I will see you until next time.